Spectra is an exceptional headlamp that turns night into day, with 10,000 lumen light output that comes from 8 powerful LEDs. The lamp is powered from this 96 watt-hour battery. To create the perfect light and to achieve the 10,000 lumen, Spectra is built with 8 Cree XHP LEDs together with TINA 2 optics from Ledil. With extreme light output comes the need for extreme cooling. Spectra is designed for optimal cooling in all aspects. The cooler is made of cold forged aluminum and has wave-shaped walls for additional cooling surfaces. There is also a built-in temperature sensor that helps regulate the light output for optimal performance. The remote control is connected to the Spectra via Bluetooth. With the remote control, you can easily switch between the 5 brightness levels. For example, increase the light when you enter into rough terrain, or reduce the light when you want to save power. The remote control will also indicate in which brightness level you are. And the remote control will show you the battery status. It can easily be mounted on your handlebar, on your wrist, or simply hold it in your hand while running. The Spectra wristband enables simple and safe hands-free operation. The ergonomic neoprene and nylon head mount has ventilation holes and 5 adjustment points for a firm yet comfortable fit. The headlamp is easily slided into its place, and there are 2 attachment loops to hold the cable in place. The Spectra helmet mount is designed to fit most helmets. It can be attached in 2 different ways. First option is to use the double-sided tape for a permanent mount. Second option is to use the 2 Velcro straps together with the friction pad. To use the double-sided tape, first remove the protective film and place it on the helmet bracket. Then remove the second protective film and mount it firmly on the helmet. Then slide the headlamp in place. And for the second option, to use the 2 Velcro straps, first attach the friction pad underneath the helmet mount, and then attach the Velcro straps in a way that suits your helmet type. The bar mount kit allows you to mount the Spectra headlamp and Spectra remote control on a handlebar. The lamp bracket fits handlebars with a dimension of 31.8 to 35 mm and is tightened with a thumb screw. Once the brackets are in place, the headlamp and remote control can easily be slided in and out of the snap socket with just a click. The remote control bracket fits handlebars with a dimension of 22 to 35 mm. The battery bar mount is made from flexible neoprene with silicone on the inside to make it sit steady on your frame. Pull the straps around the bike frame and the battery and attach the Velcro. The integrated cables on the Spectra and on the battery gives you enough range for most activities. However, if you need to place the battery further away, such as in a backpack or in a pocket, then use the extension cable. The Spectra battery harness is a lightweight and ergonomic battery carrier designed as a running vest. The harness has in total 7 different adjustment points to optimize fit and weight distribution. It has 2 mesh pockets in the front and a large pocket in the back that fits 1 or 2 batteries. Simply slide the battery into the pocket in the back, and when using only 1 battery, it might be good to tighten the compression strap, and then the battery will have a very firm fit. The compression strap can also be used for placing your beanie or your wind jacket. Then pull the cable through the cable guide and connect it to the lamp. The Spectra GoPro mount is designed as an adapter to the standard GoPro attachment. Just slide it in place and tighten the screw. Then slide the Spectra into place. To double the burn time, the Spectra 96 Wh battery can be bought as an extra accessory. The double battery connector makes it possible to connect two batteries at the same time. Spectra has 5 brightness levels ranging from 80 to 10,000 lumens. These are controlled by 2 large buttons. Short press on plus to turn the headlamp on, and then use the plus and minus button to toggle between the light levels. Press and hold the minus button to turn the headlamp off. The lamp unit of the Spectra can be tilted 90 degrees. Simply untighten the adjustment screw, then adjust to your preferred angle using the grip-friendly surfaces, and then tighten the screw. The screw can also be moved to the other side if you prefer so. To establish Bluetooth connection between the Spectra lamp and the remote control, the lamp unit needs to be switched on first. You can see the battery status on the Spectra battery when the lamp is turned on or when it's plugged in. Then activate the remote control by pressing any button. And the indicator lights will start to flash. When blue lights turn off, connection is established. If connection fails, indicator lights will turn red. Now the plus and minus button will work the same way as on the lamp unit itself. Now you can also see which brightness level you are in. On the side of the remote control there's a small button. A short press on the small button and you will see the battery status on the Spectra lamp. A long press on the small button and you will see the battery status on the remote control itself. To turn everything off, press and hold the minus button. In addition to the indicators on the remote control and the battery, Spectra is also equipped with the power reserve mode that alerts the user and saves light when 10% of the battery remains. With its 10,000 lumen, Spectra is by far the most powerful headlamp in our range. So if you're into sport, where light really matters, Spectra is the lamp for you.